What is up, guys? It is the walking entity back at it again with another video, another vlog. First vlog of 2018. Hey, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Wasn't the first vlog?
It is the first of 2018. Like done, like filmed. The other one is done the other time. maybe November, maybe who knows.
Those are the tumbleweeds in South Africa. Hi, those are
Kuba.
the tumbleweeds in South Africa.
The tumbleweeds.
Yeah.
Yes, the South African tumbleweed. There's it going there. That's the South African tumbleweed. Shame, man. Hey, they're fighting.
No, ADAG fight.
Hey, Animal Fight Club.
What fight club?
Yeah, Animal Fight Club. Go, Callum. Bowling time! Bogus! How did you do that? How the heck did you do that? You are so...
Still my turn. It's still my turn.
At least we had fun. That's what counts, right, sis?
Hey, man.
Sante, interview.
Hey, just... Oh, you're so flippin' frustrating.
Why? Don't you want to talk? Sante. No, the buns. My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't want none unless you have buns, son. Mom.
Oh, this woman.
Oh, this is typical Indian family. Let's bargain for it, man. Mom, my anaconda don't. My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns on. Legs challenge. Well, I don't think you could have because I just came up with it now, and it goes a little like this. That. So you just go, you walk. No legs challenge. Is that you always bump into someone. And
then we have
another
hour-long chats.
Yeah, exactly. Another problem. It's an hour-long chat. Realize that time is flew by.
Look at how he's licking his neck.
That's how I end up.
When you really like what
Are
you're
you
licking.
serious?
When you really like
That
what you're
sounds
licking.
so crazy. No.
You really
No,
enjoy
stop.
it.
Just stop. You're not eating here. Wait, what are you doing? Are you
We're doing. Yeah. Day 2. Good morning, everyone. It's a bit chilly here in Durban, but other than that, we can't complain. Our next objective for this weekend of fun is to go cycling along the beach side, and we'll see how that turns out. What do you say? It's too much of work. We need exercise. Callum is with his father. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, he went with his father. 100%. No, we're not having today. We're not gonna have the breakfast today. Yeah, it has to wait. It's unfortunate that it has to wait. Oh, thank you.
Where's your action camera?
It's in my bag. I'm not gonna use it now.
I'll weather to nothing if you should leave. I'll weather to nothing if you should leave. Our lover's dance covers us in trees. The sweetest taste of forbidden dreams. Toes pointed in a last embrace. Pull from a kiss, my breath you keep. Dear lover, won't you carry me up on your back along your journey? Or dear lover, stay with me. I'll weather to nothing if you should leave. Or dear lover, stay with me. I'll weather to nothing if you should leave. I'll weather to nothing if you should
The thing is, when you cycle early in the morning
Don't have breakfast.
and you don't have breakfast, and you come and cycle and use all your energy, you tend to feel a little bit nauseous,
A little bit.
a little bit vomity. And unfortunately, we didn't have breakfast, so yeah. Now we just have to cycle back. It's another. No, it's like 105 k's left till destination. You can see the helicopter picking up survivors. I don't know if you can see it, but the helicopter is picking up any of the last survivors. There's an apocalypse, and we managed to escape the death area, the deadly zone. the death zone, whatever you call it. We're on our way to the safe zone. Opposite of death. Alive zone. We're gonna make it to the alive zone. So yeah, and then we continue the vlog from there at breakfast. For you all it'll be like a second, yeah, in a second it'll switch. After cycling, don't you just work up an appetite?
I'm tired.
I guess not. Doesn't mean we must all be tired. I've got a nice omelette. Should fill me up for the next half hour.